Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel or this is your very first time you're joining my channel, hi, how are you doing? My name is Wendy and in this channel I make content around my lifestyle as an immigrant living here in Canada and also how you can migrate to Canada. If this sounds so interesting or this is the kind of video you have been looking out for, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button, comment down below and also turn on your post notifications so each time we upload a new video you are not going to miss any of them. And for my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for your massive support. Thank you for your love for me in this channel. It really goes a very long way and I do appreciate each and every one of you. So without talking too much, we are going to be hopping straight into today's video. Okay family, so we're going to be looking at a lot of farm worker jobs that we have right here in Canada, and also the employers are willing to pay for all your expenses in terms of the relocation and everything that you need. Most of them will also be training you, and you don't need, even if you don't have any experience or you don't have any degree or any diploma or any certificate, you can go ahead and apply for these jobs. They are absolutely out there for you to apply for them. So we'll quickly jump into it because I don't want this video to be that long. So that's why we are going to be jumping straight into it and see all these jobs that we have, both farm workers, farm supervisors and also farm worker jobs. All right, so we're going to be taking a look at this job that we have here, which is a farm supervisor, and this job is from Sunny Egg Farms Limited. The job is available in Alberta and they have is going to be starting as soon as possible. It's also a verified job, and this job the employer is willing to pay $20 per hour for 40 hours per week. Language they need is English. Education is secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience. They only need 1 year to less than 2 years experience. And also here you will see worksite environment, oil seed except oil bean farming, other grain farming, other miscellaneous crop farming as well. So down here you will see it's going to be in a rural area, remote location, and also the relocation cost is going to be covered by the employer. So the employer will be sponsoring you for this particular job, okay? And you're going to be supervising up to 5 to 10 people. So these are the number of people you'll be supervising. Down here you're going to see the task: coordinate and supervise the work of general farm workers and harvest laborers, develop work schedules and establish procedures, ensure farm safety and biosecurity procedures are followed, supervise and oversee growing and other crop-related operations, maintain work records and logs, operate and maintain farm machineries and equipment, perform general farm duties. So these are the things that you're going to be doing. So please try to make sure you incorporate this in your resume, okay? So down here you will see their personal suitability, organized. So they are looking for someone that is organized, someone that has the spirit of team player, and again, for you to be a supervisor, these are the skills, as in the personal skills that you're supposed to have. All right, down here we will see how you can apply for the job. So for you to apply for this job, you're gonna be contacting the employer through this email address we have here. Okay, so send in your resume to this email address we have on the screen, which is elgersma4@icloud.com. So send your resume to this email address. Feel free, send it to them. And again, if you have your cover letter, that will be a good one. You can also attach your cover letter to it as well. All right, take a look at this one that we have here, which is also farm supervisor. Okay, so down here you will see this job was posted on August 31st by this particular company right here, and is also available in Alberta, and this job is starting as soon as possible. Is also a verified job. Language they needed is English, secondary, high school graduation certificate, 1 to less than 2 years of experience. Work site environment is fruit and vegetable combination farming. So that is that. And also these are the tasks that you'll be doing as a farm supervisor. And again, this one, 5 to 10 people that you'll be supervising as well. So we'll quickly jump into looking at how you can apply for this job. So if you want to apply for this job, the employer provided like 2 means for you to apply for this job. Is either you send them email by to this number email address that we have here, or if you want to send by mail, then you can send it to address we have right here as well. So these are the 2 means that the employer wants you to communicate to them regarding to this job opening. And the job is going to be advertised till 29th of November 2022. Okay, so please, if you find this so interesting and this is the type of job opportunity you are looking for in Canada, go into it, start applying immediately. But please, before you go ahead, remember, I do tell you guys, make sure that you have your resume edited in a Canadian standard. There is a standard we have here in Canada for you to write your resume, and I've already made a video on that. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description box down below, so try as much as you can to check it out before you start applying for the job. And I'm wishing you guys all the very best in this your pursuit. Okay, please take a look on another farm worker job that we have right here. And this is a farm hand, and this job was posted on August 25th by this company again right here, which is Sunny Egg Farms Limited. And the job, they are looking for 2 vacancies. The employer is willing to pay $20 per hour for 40 hours per week. Is a full-time permanent job. Employer is looking for education is a secondary, high school graduation certificate. Experience is an asset. Okay, so even if the employer said they don't need experience, please, if you have experience, please try and include that, because sometimes I believe that they will definitely look out for people that already have an experience before they will attend to those that don't have experience. So I will encourage you, if you do have an experience, please go ahead and impute that into your resume before you start applying. So moving further ahead, so down here you will see the worksite environment. It's going to be oil seed except sunny bean farming, other grain farming, other miscellaneous crop farming, wheat farming, and dusty. So the environment, the work setting is going to be a rural area, is a remote location. And down here you will see employer is going to be covered. The relocation cost will be covered by the employer. Responsibilities and the tasks, clean crop, these. So down here are all the tasks that you'll be doing as a farm hand, as in someone that will be working as a farm worker. Yeah, so the next thing we will check is who can apply for this job. The employer accepts application from Canadian citizens and permanent residents of Canada, and other candidates with or without a permanent work without a valid Canadian work permit. So let's see how you can communicate to the employer regarding to this job. So please kindly send in your resume and also your cover letter. If you do have that, send into this email address we have right here. But notwithstanding, if you don't have your cover letter, that will not stop you from applying for this job, please. Okay, yeah, and the job is going to be available to 20th of November 2022. Guys, please, if you find it interesting and this is the type of job, don't wait till 20th of November before you will start applying. The earlier the better. Once you start applying now, there's every chances you're going to be contacted, or maybe you will be selected depending on how strong your resume is. Okay, is another farm worker job that we'll be taking a look on today's video, which is this one right here, and it was posted on September 1st by this company Fadeyi Farms. Okay, and also the job, the employer is looking for 6 vacancies. It's starting as soon as possible. The payment is not that bad, which is $20 per hour for 40 hours per week. And education, no degree, no certificate or diploma. Experience is 7 months to less than 1 year of experience is what is being required. Okay, so down here is the task that you'll be doing as a farm worker. So kindly go through all this and find out if this aligns with your resume or your experience. Then we will take a quick look at how you can apply for the job. So the employer wants you to send in your apply for this job by 2 means. Okay, you can absolutely also contact the employer using this email address we have right here, and you can send in your resume and your cover letter. If you do have one for cover letter, send it to this email address that we have right here on the screen. Do not forward your resume to any other email apart from this one we have here. If you do forward your resume to another one, that means the employer is not going to get in touch with your application. And also you can also send it by mail to this address we have right here on the screen as well. So this job is going to be advertised till 17th of November 2022. Kindly hop into it. Okay, all the very best is what I am wishing each and every one of you. We have this heavy equipment mechanic, which is from AJ Truck Trailer and Auto Repair. The job is available in Alberta. The employer is willing to pay up to $40 per hour for 32 to 38 hours per week. This is also a verified job, a permanent job as well, and they are looking for 2 vacancies. English is what they need. Education is other trade certificate or diploma. Experience is 2 years to less than 3 years of experience is what they are looking for. And down here, you're going to see all the tasks that you will be performing as heavy equipment mechanic. Okay, so we're gonna see how you can apply for this particular job. So the employer wants you to send in your resume to this particular email address that we have right here. As usual, if you do have your cover letter, please do well to go ahead, attach your cover letter with your resume to this email and send it to them. Communicate with the employer, okay? And again, the job is going to be available till 3rd of December 2022. However, this is going to bring us to the end of today's video. And if you've watched this video to this very moment, I honestly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video has been of great help. Please do well to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share the video with your friends and family. If you have anybody that you think this video will be beneficial to, please do well to share with the person, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of our great video we do bring to you all. Stay blessed, stay safe until I come your way next time. Bye.